All right, so this week we're doing technology and presentations. I'm not going to do a formal presentation because it would be redundant, a presentation on presentations, how to do a presentation. All right, so in this little video presentation, we're gonna do like a tutorial on the best ways to get presentation templates. And then just for this week, make sure you keep working on your tech quest. You should have about 150 points. Go through the weekly readings that are on the syllabus, post it here to Flipgrid, and respond to two of your peers. And then the templates I'm talking about are right here. So let's start first with these templates. So we're gone past the days of simple PowerPoints where you put bullets. You don't need that anymore, and you really don't even have to like make your own presentations anymore. So these are some templates that I found. They're going to be down here in the middle. This whole section's on something called Genius Hour. You don't got to worry about that. But down here has the template presentations. You can click on them and check and see what they're all about. So this one's kind of like a science, just like as if it's a science magazine. Let me go. It's going slow. This one's better. So I'll take this one here with MLK. You could click on the link. And this one has Martin Luther King Jr. You can click it and rename it as your own. You can't modify this unless you make your own copy. So press File, make a copy, and then once you make a copy, you can save it. But how this would work is, so say a student has to do a report, rather than having them do the traditional little presentation. They could make this about Martin Luther King, or they could change the background, make it on whatever their topic is. They could put the subject here, the title, or their name down here, add something different, manipulate, change the entire presentation. So again, you can do this, changing it with whatever your own information is. Then kind of the idea here is maybe you have different kids working on different sections of this Little People magazine. And so then one group of students works here and does one topic, and then maybe another group does a different section here and rewrites that and sets that up. You could add videos to it and add pictures, the space for text, all these good things. So presentation doesn't have to be the way that we normally use presentations. And then you can go ahead and actually insert this entire presentation into your tech quest. So that's one style of presentations. Another way that you can do presentations is you can just go here to Google, and you will type in Google site templates. And there's going to be a lot of, not Google Sites. We're going to do Google Slides templates. And the main one, or the best one that I've used, is Slides Carnival. Click on that. And then you come down here and you can start going through all the different templates that they have. Let's just check out this first one here, the Solano presentation template. You go down a little bit. It tells you could use it as a Google slide, or you could use it as a PowerPoint. When you click on it, it says, would you like to make a copy? I will select yes, I'm going to make a copy. Let's see. Now, what's cool about these templates is that they give you a lot of options that you can use for customizing the site, or for customizing the template. So let's say in my class we just finished a unit on GMOs, so I'll make this pros and cons of GMOs. Let's see. And then you can see it has the instructions for use, and Google Slides, how you can use it, and PowerPoint, how you can use it. More information available. You don't necessarily have to use every single one. Like here, hello, and then maybe you could make this the big idea, or Big Idea. Then it says it's by Jaden Smith. I haven't seen him ever since that movie he came out with his dad, so maybe he's making slides now. But you can change all of that here, and then add your own information. Let's say this was for EDTE 4200. So EDTE 4200. Boom, boom. Let's see, transition headline. The grade. Let's see, the benefits of GMOs. And then you could go in and just use it however you like. Use these quotations. You could get rid of as many slides as you need. Maybe you don't want those. Maybe you do want that one. You see just the way they're set up. Here's another cool feature. Sometimes they come with these little graphs, and then you can move these graphs around. But the graphs are they're nifty. Like you can manipulate them. They're not graphs, what are they called? They're little infographics. So you could use these infographics to your liking. Let's see, can you manipulate this one? No, that's about that one. But yeah, they come with more customizable features. See, look at that. Maybe you are going to do something where you need a phone there. So let's see, insert image, and search the web, and then GMO. So let's say I'll use this one here, Pioneer seed corn. Let's see, what do we do? We'll go with stop GMO. Drag it in there. Let's see. Kind of came out ugly. So these are all things that you could play with you could play with and set up. I'll encourage you to make whatever type of presentation you like. Maybe do something that you're already going to use for a class. If you already did one for a class, you can take some of the pieces and put them into a template. These down here are cool. This is the presentation. Let's see. This is the presentation design, and it tells you all the key details that you need to know about it. This one tells you who to credit for the presentation. You can copy any of these. So let's say I copy these here, and then I want to use them in my presentation. So I paste them, and then I could use these throughout my presentation. So pretty much what I'm trying to tell you is the time for old and boring presentations are over, and there's no reason to keep using them when we can use templates to meet those needs. When you go into your tech quest, one of the big issues this past week was going through the tech quest was that a lot of us were not giving a title and then adding the description. So please make sure that you give a title and add a description, at least 3 sentences about how you could possibly use this in your class or what you thought about the lesson. So thank you very much.